guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Mexican street corn. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. So let's cook. Alright guys, so I have some corn here. I'm going to go ahead and take this out the package. I'm going to rinse it. And I'm going to put it in this pot of boiling water. So I'm going to boil this corn for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to grate the zest off of one lime. This smells so amazing, guys. Alright. I'm going to cut that lime in half because we're going to use the juice off of this lime. I also have some Hellmann's mayonnaise here. I'm going to put half a cup of mayonnaise in here. With a half a cup of crema. I'm also going to put that zest of the lime in there. I'm going to squeeze that lime juice in there. And that's about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I have a bunch of cilantro here that I'm going to mince up. And put in here. But I'm not going to put all of this inside because I'm going to garnish the top of my Mexican corn with some of this cilantro. So I'm going to put like a half a cup inside of there. And leave the other part off to the side for my garnish. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili pepper. And lastly, you want to mince up 1 garlic clove. So I'm going to smash that garlic like that and give it a nice mince. Put that inside of there. Now you want to mix this up. This is all ready, so I'm going to go and get the corn. So our corn is finished cooking. And I just have some chopsticks here. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick that through the bottoms of our corn. Like this. Now that I have that done, I'm going to set these off to the side. And I have our cotija cheese. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to crumble some up inside of this bowl. If you can't find the cotija cheese, you can use either Parmesan cheese or a feta cheese. Alright guys, now that we have everything ready, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling my corn. Alright, so I'm going to bring my corn back in. What you want to do is take your corn and you want to paint the sauce on top of your corn like this. So that's one. Now what you want to do is take that cheese and you want to drizzle it all over your corn like this. I'm going to set it off to the side. Alright guys, so I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of that chili sauce over top. Go back in with some of that cilantro and sprinkle it on top. Like so. And that's how you make Mexican street corn, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!